Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today let's check out some BTC contracts for once, and most importantly bad BTC, basic attention token. We have traded this one quite some in the past. Some of them were wins, some of them were losses. I know the last trade, which was such a good area on bad, but it was on USDT contracts, it was lost. Unfortunately, it was pretty early to when BTC sort of started turning down. So yeah, I know the area was hit pretty early on, but it was obviously still a good area, and that one was lost. So let's see if we can actually recoup that loss from the last one and just put it back into the win streak back again on this coin, right? But before that, guys, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, punch that notification button so that you get this video on your front screen. And we do make them every day except on Sunday. Now going back, looking at Bitcoin right now, it is around 13k, and I have posted an update last night saying where my short area on BTC was, and basically that short area brought you about a 2R target. It was like a couple of percent, but pretty much 2R, so that one turned out pretty nice. So now since we already have still ongoing short, which it might be stopped, the rest of it might be stopped break even, but still the first profit target is pretty good. We might exactly take another altcoin trade just to act as a hedge towards it, right? And right now, if you look at it, this big time frame picture of bad, you can see that we are approaching some really strong areas, right? But when we come to areas like this, I would actually divide it to two trades, and I'll show you right now. So one of the areas is right here, right? So one of the areas right new, and what is so likable about this area, it actually gives us opportunities to play it really, really tight. So basically you go for the trade right now, and if the trade doesn't work out, the stop is very near, right? And yes, you would pretty much have to get stopped on this one. And you can see 7%, about 7%. And since I'm taking the middle of the box, but if you've seen it, you can probably fill in a little bit lower, so you can end up being at like 5% or something, give or take, right, on this trade. Now that would be for this trade right now, it would be pretty easily to get stopped at the moment, because if BTC just does a little bit something, you're gonna get stopped, right? So thus we got another area right here which can act as a good vessel as well. And now since these three areas are so close together, you don't know which one is going to actually react. So we can go another one here and set up here. The stop loss is going to be, the stop loss is going to be a little bit fatter this time around, but it's not going to be too much. And another stop loss would be then here. Let me just put this entry down and do the stop loss just like this. Again, about 7%. And one of these two areas will give you a good reaction. You just don't know which one, and you're hoping that the first area would give you a reaction. I'm going to move this one just a little bit to the left so that we can stay here. I think that is about it. Yep. So if we go for the first trade, which is right now, so the strategy to take in both of these trades is that you split the risk, right? So you take 0.5% on each of one of them, because you don't know which one is going to last, and you essentially don't want to be outside when the run does happen, right? And we do know the reaction is going to be somewhere in this area, right? We just don't know where yet. Now the first profit target is going to be real tight, as usually always when it comes to coins like this. And you can see I'm going to make it just a little bit wider here. I'm going to push it towards the top of the box, and you can see that we get about 11% of 1.5R on the first profit target. And on the second profit target, which is going to be again in the box up here, we are getting about 23% of 3.3R. And on the last profit target in this case, and yes, I will go on the last profit target on this coin, due to the fact that we are just in a pretty good position of a bull market. So yes, I'll be going for some higher profit targets as well this time around. So it's 52% or 7R. Now again, when you go for higher profit targets, do mind that basically speaking, when if you have already taken some trades with higher profit targets, don't chase every alt trade with higher profit targets. Just sometimes stay modest with the rest of them, right? And this trade I would stretch pretty far when it comes to first profit target, and I will really go for it. 36% on first profit target, due to the fact that I'm actually expecting that if it comes all the way down here, it's going to give us a healthy reaction, right? Especially BAT is a pretty good coin. They have like entire browser going on for them and everything. and that is good. So you can see first profit target 36% or 4.8 R, second profit target 52% or 6.8 R, and the last one in this case 87% or 11.3 R. I am a little bit less inclined to go for the third profit target if it goes all the way down here, but I will nonetheless probably still go for it due to the bull market and want to catch a runner somewhere, right? So I do want to catch a good runner somewhere, that the one that that's gonna give me ability to build upon it and actually make really good amounts of money, right? So yeah, guys, join us at 4C Telegram channels where we discuss stuff like stop losses, profit target moves, and opportunities, and do Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis on daily manner, right? And also subscribe to our channel if you wish to see more videos like this, and we will be seeing each other in the next one.